Welcome to linuxul.com. Today we'll see how to install Backdrop CMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System, a software that is used to manage the digital content. Backdrop CMS is a fork of the Drupal project and it is fully featured PHP Content Management System. The prerequisites for the CMS are Apache Web Server, MariaDB, PHP and its modules.
First I'm going to check the OS version by using line command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next I'm going to download the Backdrop CMS. It is downloaded. Next I'm going to extract the Backdrop CMS. It is extracted. Next I'm going to move this extracted directory to the Apache home directory. Next I'm going to change the ownership for the Backdrop directory. Next I'm going to change the permission for the Backdrop directory. Next I'm going to create a virtual host for the Backdrop CMS. This was my virtual host file. Here I am giving the server name linuxul.com and document root directory is backdrop. After completely editing this file, press escape, :wq for save and exit from the file. Now create a database for the backdrop. For that I am going to log into the MariaDB. First I am going to create a database. Next I am going to create a user. Next I am going to grant all privileges on BackDB to that user. Next I will flush the privileges. Next I am going to exit from the database. Next I am going to disable the default virtual host file. Next I am going to enable the backdrop virtual host file. Next I am going to enable the rewrite model. So I'm going to restart the Apache web server. Next I'm going to make a host entry for the linuxhelp.com. I'm giving server address. I'll go to the browser and ping the server name. This is the backdrop CMS. Click languages, configure database, typing database name, typing database user, and the password of the database. Save and continue. Creating an admin account. Creating password. Save and continue. This was the homepage of Backdrop CMS. Hence, how to install and Backdrop CMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.